Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply fix Diablo 4 not launching from Battle.net? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and launch your Battle.net launcher. Make sure that you are already logged in into your account. Click on the Games tab on the top, and on your My Games, there is going to be your Diablo 4. Just go ahead and click on Installed, and there it is going to be. Simply right click and click on the Manage button that it's going to be right over here. So for me, I don't have Diablo 4, so I couldn't show it from it, but all you need to do is click on that Manage, click on Uninstall, and then reinstall it into your account. And once you've uninstalled and reinstalled it onto your account, I am guaranteed to go ahead and solve that problem. However, if it is an internet problem, what you can do is simply go ahead and run command prompt as an administrator, and then run these two commands, which is netsh. So just write it along with me: netsh space winsock space reset, just like that. And the second one is going to be ipconfig space / flush DNS, just like that. And now just restart your PC and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.